Hey, this is Jared with Data Connector, and in this video, I'm going to cover the map step in the data pipeline creation process. And you can see I've already completed the connect step. So my source is QuickBooks and my destination is SQL Server. So I just need to say what I want to pull from QuickBooks. I'm going to do an entity here or a table from QuickBooks, the vendor table. And when I select that, you'll see some data about the vendor table. So you'll see the column, label, and the type, which can be very helpful when you're doing your mapping into your SQL Server table. So your options here are you can create a table in SQL Server on the back end and then just map to it, or you can actually do a new table here. So I could do a QuickBooks test table. And when I do that, it will just mirror basically what's coming from QuickBooks as far as the names. So for example, balance, you'll see balance here, vendor 1099. So these are the column names you'll see when that table gets created in SQL Server, as well as it's just going to default to the varchar max column type. Now, what you can do is take a little time and try and match up these types with the column types here so that you know it's the same type coming from QuickBooks that it's going into SQL Server. So that is helpful to use this data to potentially do the mapping here, as well as you can get rid of some of the fields if they're not necessary in SQL Server here. You'll also notice that you're getting a 5-row preview of what's coming from QuickBooks, and this is what you'll expect to see once it goes into SQL Server.